If you've got a few $1,000s to spend on your front yard and you want that money back when you sell, most homeowners spend it on the wrong things. A new lawn, some flowers, a fresh coat on the door, those look nice, but they don't move the needle on home value. Appraisers and buyers care about a very specific list. Almost nobody talks about it. Today, I'm walking you through the 10 front yard upgrades that add the most home value in 2026. Each one comes with the actual dollar return. And number 1, it returns more than every other upgrade combined. Let's get into it. Number 10, modern house numbers. We're starting with the smallest upgrade on the list and the most underrated. New, modern house numbers. I know it sounds too simple to matter, but the first thing a buyer's eye locks onto is the address. Faded, crooked, plastic numbers signal neglect. Sharp, modern numbers signal a cared-for home. The cost? Between $30 and $80. The home value lift? Around $500 to $1,000. That's a 10-to-1 return on the cheapest upgrade you'll ever do. Pick numbers at least 5 inches tall. Mount them where they're readable from the street. Match the finish to your door hardware. That brings us to upgrade number 9, and this one's even more visible from the road. Number 9, a fresh front door. Your front door is the most photographed part of your house. It shows up in every listing, every street view image, every photo a buyer takes on their first visit. And in most homes, it's tired. A repaint alone is one of the highest return upgrades you can make. Under $50 in paint and a free Saturday. The home value lift can be $1,000 to $3,000. If your door is more than 15 years old, replace it. A new fiberglass or steel door costs $1,500 to $4,000 installed. You'll get back 90 to 100% of that at resale. The fastest win? A bold, intentional color. Deep navy, forest green, charcoal, clean black, skip beige, skip white. The right door color transforms how the entire house feels from the curb. And speaking of color, upgrade number 8 controls how the entire yard feels. Number 8. A clean, defined lawn edge. Almost no homeowner thinks about this. Landscape designers obsess over it. The line where your lawn meets the flower beds, the walkway, the driveway. The edge. A messy edge makes a yard look like nobody's home. A clean, sharp edge makes the same yard look like a magazine. Same plants, same lawn. Different edge, different home. The upgrade is almost free. A half-moon edging tool costs $25. 2 hours of work along your beds every spring gives you that clean designer line. Want it permanent? Install steel or stone edging once. $200 to $400 in materials. Lasts 20 years. Adds $500 to $1,500 in perceived value. A return most big upgrades can't match. Upgrade number 7 is one most homeowners are afraid to do, and it's the highest impact one of the bottom half. Number 7. A real walkway, not a concrete path. Look at your front walkway, the one leading from the driveway to your front door. If it's a thin slab of cracked, faded concrete, you're losing thousands in home value. A proper walkway made from real materials is one of the strongest upgrades in landscaping. Pavers, flagstone, brick, stamped concrete. Any will make a front yard look 10 times more expensive than cracked concrete. The cost is real. $2,000 to $7,000 depending on size. But the appraisal lift is $3,000 to $10,000 on average. Buyers rank good walkway in the top 5 things they notice. On a tight budget? Here's the cheap trick. Resurface your existing walkway with overlay concrete and add a clean stone border on either side. Under $500. Looks brand new. If this video has been helpful so far, hit the like button for me. It really helps the channel. And stick around. The next upgrade pays you back faster than any other on the list. Number 6. Low voltage landscape lighting. Most homeowners think of their yard as a daytime asset. Buyers think day and night. A front yard with proper lighting looks dramatic and high-end after sunset. A front yard with no lighting just disappears. Photos taken at twilight with the lights on sell homes faster. Real low-voltage landscape lighting costs $500 to $2,000. The home value return is $1,500 to $4,000. You make money on it. And the house looks magical at night. Skip the cheap solar stake lights. Use real low voltage. Warm white bulbs only. Aim some up at the trees, some down on the walkway, and a soft uplight on the front facade. Done right, this single upgrade transforms a normal house into one buyer's photograph from the street. And it brings us to upgrade number 5, one of the most overlooked value adds in landscaping. Number 5. Mature trees and shrubs. Most homeowners never consider this. Mature plants add real, measurable home value. A U.S. Forest Service study found homes with mature trees sell for 3 to 15% more than identical homes without them. On a $400,000 home, that's $12,000 to $60,000 in added value. From trees, mature trees cost $200 to $1,200 each. They pay for themselves 5 times over at resale. Here's the trick. Don't buy the smallest, cheapest sapling. Buy a tree that's already 5 to 7 feet tall. You skip 10 years of waiting, and you get the full home value boost the day it goes in the ground. Same rule for foundation shrubs. Buy 3-gallon size, not 1 gallon. The visual impact is night and day. Upgrade number 4 is one I see almost no homeowner do, and it's the difference between a yard that looks finished and one that looks generic. Number 4. A real focal point. Walk to the curb and look at your front yard. Where does your eye go? If the answer is nowhere specific, you're missing the most important principle in landscaping: a focal point. Every great front yard has one visual anchor: a specimen tree, a sculpture, a statement planter by the door, a water feature, even a single ornamental boulder placed right. Without a focal point, the yard looks busy and generic. With one, the same yard looks intentional. Buyers feel the difference even if they can't articulate it. The cost varies. A statement boulder, $200. A specimen tree, $1,500. A water feature, $6,000. The home value lift lands between $2,000 and $7,000 regardless of which one you pick. Pick one, just one. Place it where it gets the most visibility from the street. Build the rest of the yard around it. That sounds expensive. But upgrade number 3 is way cheaper and almost as impactful. Number 3, symmetry at the front entry. One of the cheapest, fastest upgrades on the list, and one of the most psychologically powerful. Symmetry at the front door. Not your whole yard, just the front entry. 2 matching planters on either side of the door. 2 matching sconces. 2 matching shrubs in front of the porch. That deliberate symmetry signals craftsmanship and order. Buyers respond to it. Appraisers note it, neighbors notice it. The cost? $150 to $1,000 depending on the planters and lighting. The home value lift is $1,500 to $3,000. The ROI is among the highest in this video. The rule is simple. Whatever you put on one side of the door, mirror it on the other. Same size, same color, same plant. Buyers' brains love it. Resale value reflects it. Upgrade number 2 is one almost nobody connects with home value, but the data is clear. Number 2, a manicured, healthy lawn. The lawn is the largest visual element in your front yard and the biggest predictor of perceived home value. A healthy, weed-free, well-edged lawn signals a maintained home. A patchy, brown, weedy lawn signals neglect. Buyers price both into their offers, even subconsciously. Getting a lawn to magazine quality isn't expensive. Premium fertilizer, $40. Weed and feed, $60. Core aeration in the fall, $200. Fresh mowing with a sharp blade weekly. Total annual cost? Under $500. The value lift from a beautiful lawn versus an average one is $5,000 to $10,000 on most properties. A 20-to-1 return. If your lawn is past saving, full sod replacement runs $2,000 to $5,000. It pays itself back, plus thousands more the day you list. And now, upgrade number 1. The one I told you about at the beginning. The one that returns more than every other upgrade combined. Number 1, major hardscaping at the front entry. This is the one. The single highest return front yard investment you can make in 2026. Hardscaping at the front entry. A pergola over the entryway. Stone columns flanking the front steps. A redesigned porch with new railings, flooring, and lighting. Why does this win? Because the front entry is the single most photographed, most evaluated part of any home for a buyer. A stunning hardscaped entry telegraphs quality the second someone pulls up. This is the most expensive upgrade on the list. Real front entry hardscaping runs $5,000 to $25,000, but it's the highest absolute return. Home value lifts consistently land between $15,000 and $40,000. If you do nothing else from this video, do this. A great front entry makes a 40-year-old home feel new. It takes a dated house and makes it the best-looking one on the block. It pays for itself, with profit, the day you sell. So those are the 10 front yard upgrades that add the most home value in 2026. Modern house numbers. A fresh front door. A clean lawn edge. A real walkway. Low voltage lighting. Mature trees and shrubs. A focal point. symmetry at the front entry, a healthy lawn, and major hardscaping at the front entry. If your budget is tight, start with the bottom three: numbers, door, edge. Under $200 in real value immediately. If this helped you see your front yard as the investment it actually is, hit the like button. And if you haven't seen my video on the 10 worst front yard mistakes that are quietly killing your home value, that video is on the screen right now. Watch it next. See you there.